back on my my F250, IDI turbo diesel. Anyway, I was having some sort of leak. I still don't think that I've narrowed it down, but since I'm here, you can see I got thermostat. I pulled this switch out, this two-prong switch here. I'm not exactly sure what that's for. I thought at first it was for my water temperature, but it's not. So I had to drain the radiator to be able to get that. I still made a mess. Anyway, so I took the belt off, serpentine belt loose with my wrench here, which is a 15, I believe 15 millimeter I used, which is like a oh, what is that, 5/8, something like that. Yeah, 5/8, one above 9/16. Anyway, so I use that, loosen the belt, get it off the pulley for the alternator, loosen the 3 bolts, took the 3 bolts loose for the alternator, took the alternator bracket off, had to take the fuel filter support bracket off to get in here to get to this lower bolt for the thermostat housing, which I cleaned up and put a layer of paint on it, whatever, spit shine. Anyway, so I'm about to put it back on. I went and got the new gasket, part number 35270. As soon as that dries, I'm gonna put it in. Disconnected the batteries because they're messing with the alternator. Don't want to have any further damage. I just drive it home from work and it's all wet right here. And it's dripping on the ground. All of this is wet underneath, you know, underneath all the stuff that's here, of course. It's all wet under here. All the hoses and stuff right here are all wet. So I'm thinking to myself, where the heck is it coming from? Do I have a bad head gasket? Is it? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm doing this. When I pulled this off, when I pulled the thermostat housing off, it was double gasketed right here. It had 2 gaskets on it. And one of them looked like it was a little messed up right in this zone right here. So I'm hoping that it fixed something. If that doesn't fix my leak here, then it's going to be a full tear down, and I'm not looking forward to that at all. So thermostat housing back in. These are 13s or 1/2 inch. Alright, I got the fuel filter bracket. I painted it also just because. It's back in. I need to get another bolt, but it's in there for now with the one. And it'll be held up. It'll be held up by was that 1, 2, 3 bolts down there anyway, so the bolts for the alternator bracket, which I'm going to put in now. The alternator brackets back in, 3 bolts, 9/16 bolts, and same with that. This one's a 9/16 also. And now time to put the alternator back on there. There you go, alternator back on. 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3 1/2-inch bolts, and there's no adjusting or nothing. It's just that's where it is. And now time to put the belt back on. All right, belt's back on. Just make sure that it's all on the pulleys like they're supposed to be and all that good stuff. And let's see, put the I got the upper radiator hose I gotta put on still, from here to there. All right, upper radiator hose on, battery terminals connected, this bolted back down, ready to put fluid in and test it.